Welcome to our channel where we talk all things Facebook ads. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to create successful Facebook ad campaigns that will help you reach your target audience and achieve your marketing goals. Facebook ads are an effective way to reach your target audience on the world's largest social media platform with over 2 billion active users. Facebook offers unparalleled targeting options that allow you to hone in on your ideal customer. The first step in creating a successful Facebook ad campaign is to identify your marketing objectives. Are you looking to increase website traffic, generate leads, or boost sales? Once you've identified your objectives, you can create ads that are tailored to your specific goals. Another important aspect of Facebook ads is targeting. With Facebook's targeting options, you can target users based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and more. This allows you to reach a highly specific audience that is most likely to be interested in your product or service. When creating your Facebook ads, it's important to choose the right ad format. Facebook offers a variety of ad formats, including image ads, video ads, carousel ads, and more. Choosing the right ad format will depend on your marketing objectives and the type of content that you want to promote. It's also important to create compelling ad copy and visuals that will capture the attention of your target audience. Your ad should clearly communicate the value proposition of your product or service and compel users to take action. Finally, it's important to track the performance of your Facebook ad campaigns and make adjustments as needed. This can involve monitoring your ad's click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per acquisition. By monitoring your ad's performance, you can identify areas for improvement and optimize your ad campaigns for better results. In conclusion, Facebook ads offer a powerful way to reach your target audience and achieve your marketing objectives. By identifying your marketing objectives, targeting the right audience, choosing the right ad format, creating compelling ad copy and visuals, and monitoring your ad's performance, you can create successful Facebook ad campaigns that drive results. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe the channel for watching more informative videos.